Mutongoria wa bũrũri wa Uganda Yoweri Museveni ararĩ gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ mũthenya wa ira hĩndĩ ya kũrugũrio gwa kĩoneki kĩa mutongoria wa ODM Raila Odinga kũhũranĩra gĩturwa kĩa mũikarĩri gĩtĩ wa kanjũ ya mabũrũri ma Afrika AU, kũrĩa arahithũririe ũrĩa mũkĩraga riboti cia ũgacerũ ikĩonania ũrĩa mũmbunge Babu Owino anyitanagĩra na kĩama kĩa NRM bũrũri-inĩ ũcio gũbanga gũtuthũra gĩthagathago arĩ hamwe na mũtongoria wa kĩama kĩu Babu Owino.
There are some individuals in Raila's group who I don't think know what they are doing. You know, I am a consumer of intelligence services. So I always see intelligence service reports. There's a character called Babu. I always see Babu. Dealing with anti-Ugandan group, anti-NRM group, seeing Ugandans. So I had never chosen him, but now I am choosing Babu.
Mũmbunge wa EMBAKASI Babu Owino ũrĩa uma kĩgomano-inĩ gĩa gũkũngũĩra mĩaka 14 ya gatiba ya bũrũri nĩonanirie kũrarakwo nĩ mĩario ĩno ya President Museveni kũmũkuruhania na ndeto ĩno ya kũgeria kũingĩrĩra wĩyathi wa bũrũri wa Uganda.
The current president of Uganda, Yoweri Museveni, came yesterday, and I really don't want him to lose his vote for Baba. I really want him to vote for Baba. I respect him as my grandfather. I genuinely respect him.
When we had one of the heads of state attack someone who is supposed to be his grandson, and we know we respect all heads of state, and we do as citizens respect all our presidents. Na Babu Owino na Babu Owino ni marafiki, vile Wamalwa na Museveni ni marafiki. And we must respect friendship.
Na harĩ macokio make Babu Owino akuruhanirie President Museveni na GUKAWE kumana na mĩaka ĩrĩa akoretwo wathani-inĩ, akiuga nĩ mĩingĩ gũkĩra mĩaka yake na ũguo ndarĩ na mũbango wothe wa kwambĩrĩria gũcokanĩria nake.
Actually, the number of years he has served in power are more than my years. And therefore, there is a time and a season for everything. I respect him and I recognize him as a revolutionary. But there are those revolutionaries who ended up very badly. Look at Mobutu Sese Seko. Came in as a revolutionary, but got drunk with power. Look at Zimbabwe, Robert Mugabe.
Atongoria angĩ arĩa mauma igongona-inĩ rĩrĩ nĩ mateteire Babu Owino na mokĩrĩra mĩario ĩno ya President Yoweri Museveni, kũrĩa mũtongoria wa DAP Kenya Eugene Wamarugire kũrĩ na njĩra njega angĩrahũthĩrire kũruta mateta make, na makĩria nĩ ũndũ wa kĩeha kũmuona agĩcokanĩria na mũndũ wa gĩkĩro kĩa Babu Owino.
As leaders of the opposition, we want to express our very strong disapproval of the remarks and attacks made on Kenyan soil against a young man and upcoming leader in our country called Babu Owino.
Kirivotera Kameme TV, Jitogo Mwaura, Wagunya.